Welcome to Next Gen Motors, your ultimate destination for the latest and most thrilling car reviews from around the globe. If you're passionate about speed, luxury, and next-level engineering, then make sure you hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you never miss our newest uploads. Today, we're diving into the future with a close look at the all-new 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S sedan, a powerful fusion of Porsche heritage and modern-day innovation. Let's get into the full review, from design to performance and everything in between. The 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S sedan takes the legendary 911 DNA and stretches it into a bold new form. While purists may have doubted a four-door variant, this model proves Porsche knows how to keep performance intact without compromising practicality. With sleek aerodynamics and muscular curves, it carries a commanding road presence. Matrix LED headlights and the wide rear light bar give it a futuristic edge, while the quad exhaust system reminds you it's built to dominate. Under the hood, the new 911 Turbo S sedan houses a twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter flat-six engine that pumps out a jaw-dropping 670 horsepower and 660 lb-ft of torque. The enhanced all-wheel drive system, paired with an 8-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, launches the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. Porsche's engineers have integrated active suspension management and rear-wheel steering to ensure razor-sharp handling and superior agility despite the larger body frame. The top speed easily crosses the 205 miles per hour mark, making it one of the fastest sedans ever built. Step inside and the cabin is every bit as performance-driven as it is luxurious. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting create an immersive experience. The advanced digital cockpit features a 12.6-inch curved display, while the Porsche Communication Management System brings seamless connectivity, navigation, and voice control. For sporty yet comfortable seats make this a true grand tour with the heart of a race car. Rear passengers enjoy increased legroom thanks to the extended wheelbase, a true nod to daily usability. On the safety front, the 2027 911 Turbo S sedan includes Porsche's latest suite of driver assistance technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, night vision, and autonomous emergency braking. The chassis tuning has been refined to provide greater comfort in urban driving without sacrificing the car's signature dynamic feel. As a first-of-its-kind production model blending 911 performance with sedan practicality, Porsche has once again pushed boundaries. It is not just a family sports car, it's a lifestyle statement built for those who want the best of both worlds. Whether it's weekend track runs or cross-country luxury cruises, this car can do it all without missing a beat. So if you're as impressed by the 2027 Porsche 911 Turbo S sedan as we are, don't forget to subscribe too.